Let's see a binary tree problem. It's a easy problem. This says invert the binary tree. So if you see this example here, for the 2 1 3, we have to write the code so that it can invert, like the 3 can come here and 1 can go here. So that's called invert binary tree. If you see here 4, and then if you see the 2 7, that's inverted. 7 came here and 2 other side, and the value of the 2 also, it's a 1 3, and if you see this is the 3 1. So that's we are going to do that. The code is very easy. We run the two recursion, one for the left and one for the right. So for the left, when we run the left recursion, we go the most of the left, and then again we'll go for the most of the right, and then switch this. And for this also we'll do the same thing. So we'll write the code and then we'll come here and see how this logic fits here. So first of all, like if you see the root is nil, you can check that condition. If root is equal to nil, then return nil. Otherwise, what we do, we call this function here, and we'll call root left, and this is going to return the left. And then if you call the right, we call the same. Right, and this returns right. And then we'll take this root, and in a root dot right we'll put the left, and root dot left we'll put right, and return root. Let's run this. This should be upper, and this should be again upper. Submit. Yeah, that's the easy logic. We'll come back, we'll just go to the description and see how it worked. So when we call the invert tree, and let's take this as example, then we call invert tree root left. So we pass the value root left 2 and call this. And so first of all, we'll take this one, and then root left, we pass the root left, and the root right is remaining. But when we call the root left, again we'll come back, again it will call the root left 1, this one 1. So we'll go to the most left, and then for each level the remaining right one is still pending. So for this left, again this will go and call the left, and left there is a nil, and for the nil it will return nil. And then again right will get called. Now right is also nil, so it will return nil. So for this 2, we call this 1, it will return. For this the left will be 1, and again for this one right will be 3, and this will be get switched here. So 3 goes to that and 1 goes to this place. So for 2 is done. In the same way, for the 4, this will return 2, and then again it will go to the most right here, and then for the most right is a 9. Yeah, so come here, and again for this also, again the left and the right. So for the, again it will get the 6 and the 9, and this will get switched. In the similar way, for this 2 7 will get switched. So that's the logic here. So that's all for today. Thank you.